Okay, so I decided to modify this lesson, and it's Country Western Day here at school, so this is why my hair is in braids like this. So either way, you're going to go ahead now, and I want you to open up the OneDrive Word document by clicking here. When you click here, it might pop up here. Either way, you're going to open up a document, and this is from your OneDrive, so it's actually Microsoft Word. It's just a dummied down version of the desktop. So the reason I want you to open this is because I have some of the assignment completed for you here. Not completed, but I've got it kind of labeled, and I need these labels to stay here. So now that you've opened up the document, the next step is to open it in the desktop Word app. So from this page here, you need to come up here to where it says editing, click that drop down arrow, and you need to hit open in desktop app. So these are both Microsoft Word, but you need to realize that there's a difference between the OneDrive Word and the desktop Word. The desktop Word has a ton more functionality. It can do a lot more than the OneDrive. So for the most part in this class, we're always going to be working in the desktop Word. So hit open in desktop app, and sometimes this takes several minutes. You'll probably get a pop-up like this. Go ahead and check this, always allow, blah, 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 hit open Word. And here's where it could take a couple minutes. You need to be patient and just sit here and wait. Don't click on anything. Okay, see, now it's coming up. All right, so if you have a recovery pane, just hit close. So now you can see the document on your, this is the desktop app. So the next step that I need you to do is I need you to save a copy of the document to your computer applications folder in your OneDrive. So from now, when you go back to that document, you're going to come down here to your desktop app, and that's what you're going to click, and it should open it. Actually, you can go ahead and close out this Chrome version of it. You can X that out so that you don't get confused. And from now on, you're going to open it up from the desktop app. Okay, so we're going to save a copy of this. All right, sorry guys, I had to kind of fix the video. But what I was saying is you're going to save a copy of this. And the reason why you have to save a copy, okay guys, I'm really sorry, I got interrupted again. So the reason why you have to save a copy of this is because the link that I provided to open up the document initially in the OneDrive, that was a view only link, which means you cannot edit it. But if you make a copy of the document and save it to your folder, you are allowed to edit it. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go to File. There's a couple different ways you can do this. We're going to go to File. There we go. And we're going to go to Save As. And this allows us to make a copy of it. From here, remember what I told you the other day in our housekeeping activities, you need to make sure that you go to your OneDrive. So right here where mine says OneDrive, Little Miami Schools, make sure it's a Little Miami Schools one and not your personal one. And then from your OneDrive, I need you to find your computer applications folder. Double click on it. It might take a moment for it to open. There you go. And again, you can see up here that you're in the OneDrive and you're in your computer application folder. That's perfect. I want you to title this Keyboard Shortcuts Assignment. And then I want you to hit Save. Actually, sorry, you guys just title it Keyboard Shortcuts Assignment. If it already says Keyboard Shortcuts Assignment, then just make it Keyboard Shortcuts Assignment 1 and then hit Save. Once it saves, and I'm not touching anything, there we go. It will eventually take you back to this screen. Make sure it's titled properly. And now you are ready to move on to the next slide. Thank ya.